How to enable or disable push to talk on Discord. Push to talk on Discord is a feature that lets you control when your microphone is active, which helps reduce background noise. To enable it, open Discord and go to User Settings. From there, select Voice and Video. Under the Input Mode section, switch from voice activity to push to talk. You will see an option to set a shortcut key for push to talk. Click Record Keybind and press the key you want to use to activate your mic. If you want to disable push to talk and return to always on voice detection, just switch the input mode back to voice activity. Choose a convenient key for push to talk that does not interfere with your gaming or other activities. Do you prefer push to talk or voice activity? Let me know which works best for you in the comments below. Push to talk is a handy tool for managing your audio input during busy or noisy environments. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.